accidentally deleted texts, contacts, or photos without a backup. Wondering if Enigma Recovery can help? In this video, we'll review its features, pricing, pros and cons, and suggest a more reliable alternative. Part 1. What is Enigma Recovery? Enigma Recovery helps recover data from iPhones, iPads, and iTunes backups. On Mac and Windows, it supports texts, contacts, photos, videos, WhatsApp, Viber, and more. Just connect your device, scan, preview, and recover. Part 2. Pros and cons of Enigma Recovery. Pros: easy to use, supports Mac and Windows, all iOS devices, recovers texts, contacts, notes, calls, calendars, trusted with 15+ years experience, free scan and preview. Cons: no direct photo or video recovery on iOS 8+, fewer file types supported than rivals. Part 3. Is Enigma Recovery safe to use? Enigma Recovery is safe to use, no virus warnings, easy to install or uninstall, and it only reads data without altering or deleting anything. Part 4. How much does Enigma Recovery cost? Free trial, scan and preview only, single plan $59.99, one device, with support, multi-plan $69.99, up to 3 devices, with support. Pro plan $199.99, unlimited devices, full support. Part 5. Best alternative to Enigma Recovery. Enigma Recovery is decent, but it has limits like fewer supported file types. A stronger alternative is Mobican Doctor for iOS. It's easier to use, recovers more data types, and works faster. For a more efficient solution, give it a try. Step 1. Download and install Mobican Doctor for iOS on your computer. Open the program and select the Recover from iOS device option from the left menu. Then, connect your iPhone or iPad to your computer using a USB cable. Step 2. Once your device is connected, you'll see an option to choose which types of data you want to recover. After selecting, click Start Scan to begin the process. Step 3. After scanning, you can view all the files, including deleted ones, on the interface. Choose the data you want to recover, then click Recover to Computer to save it on your computer.